Hey guys, I just wanted to do a video on a AR pistol I did for a buddy. This is considered budget friendly. He didn't have a whole lot of money, so we tried to get as much as we could with the amount of money he had. We kept this under $750 for everything on here. Another thing that made it kind of hard to build this was we're going through COVID, so it was hard to get parts or get exactly what we wanted. There was a shortage on like everything. We had this spikes lower, about $120 for it. We used the CMMG lower parts kit, and that was about $70 for that. Next we have this Strike Industries stabilizer. That was about $37 for that. Then we have Bear Creek upper. This is just all side charging. It wasn't really what we wanted at first, but it fit his budget and it was about the only thing that was available that was in his budget as well. And then that was about $210 or so. And then we have the UTG metal backup sights here. Let's flip up. And we got a sling with a sling mount. That was about $30. And then he wanted a red dot. So we went with the Sight Mark Ultra Shot R-Spec. It's I believe red and green, if I remember right. Hadn't looked at it in a while. Here's that sight. It's a little dusty. It's been sitting for a little while. The sight was right around $100. Then we got the UTG light mount for $10. And then we have a UTG light, 700 lumens. And it's about $83. Altogether, we spent about $730 for everything you see here. That's not bad. But yeah, we went with the pistol. That way he could maneuver it in and out of a vehicle easier. This is what he plans on using in a Shtf event. And when he plans on bugging out, this will be a great setup for him. We did do a little testing, shooting it. We didn't shoot a whole lot of rounds through it, but from what I could tell, it seems to be shooting pretty good. So I've heard good and bad about these uppers. So I guess we lucked out. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate it.